Your VP of sales barges into your stand-up, what's shipping this quarter and what's on the horizon. If you mumble feature lists, you lose credibility. If you unroll a clear living product roadmap, everyone exhales. Let's build that roadmap together. And when we change focus, I'll simply say now, we'll talk about the next piece. Why a roadmap? Product Plan's guide calls a roadmap a high-level visual summary that maps out the vision and direction of your product over time. It aligns execs, engineers, and even customers around why and when big bets unfold, while letting you adjust course as new data arrives. Now we'll talk about 3 common roadmap styles and when to use them. Timeline-based, quarter or month swim lanes. Great when dates matter. Regulatory deadlines, conference demos. Product plan notes it answers, how long until it's ready? Theme-based, grouped by strategic pillars, onboarding, performance. Useful for agile orgs that value outcome over calendar. RoadMonk calls this ideal for communicating goals without premature dates. Now, next, later, fuzzy time buckets, crystal clear priorities. Product Board recommends it to manage expectations and embrace uncertainty. Golden rule, roadmaps are more detailed the nearer they are. Beyond 2 quarters, keep it hazy and outcome-focused. Near term, commit to epics and target dates. Atlassian labels the roadmap a living document that flexes as priorities shift. Now we'll talk about drafting a sample roadmap in 5 steps. Start with vision and metrics. Remind everyone of the North Star KPI. List major epics. AI receipt scan, Europe launch, Marketplace API. Slot epics into a format, Q1, Q2 for timeline, or now, next, for fuzzy. Layer dependencies and risks. Surface what could slip initiative X. Review with leads. Engineering sanity checks effort. Design checks UX bandwidth. Sales checks go-to-market fit. Tools. Dedicated apps like AHA, Product Plan, Product Board, or lean Google Sheets templates. Atlassian even shares an auto-updating sheet. Choose what your org will actually open. Now we'll talk about keeping it alive. Recheck every sprint review. Did discovery invalidate a Q3 item? Move it. Tag each item with status. Planned, in progress, complete. Archive shipped initiatives. The roadmap should stay readable at a glance. Product plans, successful roadmap secrets. Warn that static roadmaps die on slide 27. Living ones evolve like code. Mini case, EcoSnap Carbon Tracker Vision. Help Gen Z cut grocery carbon by 50%. Now, release barcode scan V1. Hit 20K weekly scans. Next, add recipe suggestions, localize for EU carbon labels. Later, B2B API for grocery chains. Near term shows sprint-level deliverables. Later simply states intent, keeping optionality. When EU regulations tighten sooner than expected, we can slide localized labels from next to now without derailing the rest. Key takeaways to voice in closing. Match roadmap style to audience urgency. Dates for execs, themes for agile squads. Detail near, blur far. The farther the horizon, the foggier the plan. Use the roadmap as a decision lens, not a contract. Update relentlessly. Clear visuals, fancy tools. A well-kept sheet beats a forgotten deck.